Well, this is Royal Crown Derby from 1883 in a design called Pembroke. In its, well, is it red and white or orange and white? It's difficult to really be precise, isn't it? A little saucer, very deep, early style saucer, very straight, tall sides as you can see, just over 5 inches, 5 1/8 inches outer rim diameter, and it's got approximately, it's not a really clear cut central well, but it's 2 inches. You can definitely feel the depression going down there, although you can't see it in the mouldings. Previous owner's done absolutely all the research for me. I love it when we get pieces from Derby enthusiasts. There we go, beautifully documented. 20th September 1883 on the diamond date mark. Osmaston Road, Derby, Pembroke marks used between, I think on there, yeah, he's absolutely right, 1877 and 1890 for that particular crown marks. And it's also got Derby impressed into it here and further date marks on the press. The one condition note we would draw your attention to with this piece, and it's not absolutely standoutish, but it's not as bright as it could be. The inner pattern prints just got a little bit of wear, slight degree, a little bit of feathering here on the gilt, but by and large it's in fine condition considering it's 1883. Just needs a coffee can or teacup, and it probably was a tall, straight London shaped can cup that would have been produced with this from this date period. A lovely piece, rare piece, worth listing. Somebody somewhere in the world is going to have the cup and has broken or got a damaged saucer and is going to love to buy this and put the set back together. Royal Crown Derby, Pembroke, 1880s, and available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link below taking you through to the website listing for this particular piece of Royal Crown Derby. Thanks for watching.